Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening photos and choosing the picture you'll edit. This matters because accuracy depends on resolution and zoom. Once selected, tap Edit, then the three-dot menu to pick Remove Object. This invokes iOS 18 algorithm. You should zoom to roughly 100% and draw a tight selection around the target. Smaller strokes reduce edge artifacts. Make sure to include a little surrounding context so the model samples background texture properly. Then tap Remove and wait for the preview. Once iOS 18 produces its first pass, inspect edges and texture continuity. You'll want to refine. Use the brush tool to add or subtract from the selection, switching brush size for hair, borders, or hard lines. This helps avoid smudging. Tap Compare to toggle original versus edit, and use Undo when a step looks wrong. If the result shows repeating patterns or mismatched texture, consider exporting to a dedicated retouch app for clone or heel work that maintains realistic. To finish, tap Done and save your edit, or choose Save a Copy to keep the original intact. If you still see halos or texture errors, reopen the edit and remove the object in smaller segments. Working in layers avoids cumulative mistakes. If the tool fails, force close photos, reboot your device, and retry. Make sure iOS 18 is up to date because fixes land often. If crashes persist, export the image and use a third-party editor as a final fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.